Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Salesforce account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to the Salesforce website and basically you will need just to go to the Salesforce product and as you are going to log in. Basically, now you can just click here on a free trial so you can create a new account and set up your account. So from here, you will need just to fill in this information and basically you need just to start filling the informations and then you will be able to have access to Salesforce and you will have your uh, account that will be set. So from there, you can start using Salesforce however you want. And basically, in your profile, you can start having some additional settings, like going to your profile, go to settings, and from there, you can go, for example, to your uh, advanced user details and enhance your security. But by adding the multi-factor authentication, you can find also other informations. But also, if you want to modify things about your Salesforce, you can go to the setup menu, and from here, where you can configure all the aspects of the app from the service setup assistant. If you want to set up your cloud assistant, you can have many things to use for Salesforce. Also, you can have your Salesforce mobile app that will be added into your application or into your Salesforce account. And also, you can have many other features. You can even see the app launcher, so you can have other features. So basically, this is how you can set up your Salesforce account. Thank you for watching and see you next time.